I can't imagine my life without traveling. There are so many interesting and gorgeous places in the world. Isn't it amazing to experience bright, unforgettable emotions, trying something new, traveling with children, exploring our planet, feeding ducks, birds and fishes somewhere in Lena Park, riding on a horse-drawn carriage, standing amid a waterfall, watching the sunset in Ibiza, gazing at flamingos in the Barcelona Zoo, and so many other delightful things. Life is fantastic and abundant when you follow your dreams. And I invite you to dive into your next adventure, discover bright, unexplored emotions, visit vibrant cities and captivating countries, explore wild places, various civilizations, as well as national and local cultural traditions. I'm LenaLunaEng and welcome to my channel. I enjoy exploring the world, various cultures and numerous nations. Nothing compares to hearing different languages, meeting new people and trying local cuisine. It's much more interesting, surprising and entertaining than even your wildest dreams. Traveling expands the mind. I have always had a never-ending wanderlust. My mind travels mentally long before the trip begins physically. Packing my luggage fills me with great anticipation and pleasure. Traveling by air, auto or train suits me perfectly. So stay tuned and let's travel together because there are many wonders and interesting adventures waiting for us. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can see my latest videos.